I'll give you an update. Should we do a test together? Let's go do a test together after this. I don't know where they are though. I'll do a live COVID test. No, my mum's Egyptian. I know, it was kind of for the experience though. Like, my friend had the hotel ready from her parents because they didn't need it. So she had the room for a night and we were like, oh, we're going to be here for days anyway. So we just stayed there. Hi, Nyla. Guys, I keep feeling like I'm going to sneeze. Why am I so mean to Dawood? I only do it as a joke. Just a joke. Just a joke. You got to be mean to these boys. Pop. Whoa. Because Dawood comes onto my live to say he likes Ash Cash and then leaves. I'm like, go away. Just tucking into bed. Magnum ice cream, y'all, guys. I'm an ice cream girl. Ice cream is my favorite food. No, guys, I'm too boring for that. My first hurts. I got 2 vaccines. My arm hurts. I'm so sorry to hear that, Miguel. Ash Cash is a very beautiful girl who also had a video leaked on the interweb, if you know what I mean. Can I sing Avril Lavigne? Hey, you, I don't like a girlfriend, no way, I think you need a new one. Hey, you. Babes, are your friends rich or something? Why do they have a hotel room? So my Mia, her parents work in London and they were going to stay there, but then they decided they cancelled what they were doing. So it was just there and she was like, guys, let's go have fun. And I was like, yeah, let's go have fun. Thanks, sister. Dawood is from South London, Croydon. Thank you, Nyla. I've been live for ages, guys. I might have to go soon. Celeb Crush, Michael Jordan, Keith Powers, Alex Pettifer. Where am I? I'm in my room. But I'm holding my phone because it only works with my charger held at a specific angle. No, I'm about to start my first year. Thank you for the rose. That's my first rose of the day. 6 hours? No way. I think Zara means flower. You talk so posh. Okay, so I live in Surrey, so I probably do have that accent. I also went to a fancy school. We've been through this. I didn't pay for it. Also, guys, I'm ill, so I sound really stuffy and annoying. I sound really annoying. But I am ill, sisters. He's studying Middle Eastern studies. Yes, I am. Guys, the parents are rich, now move on. They're actually not. What? Guys, both of my parents went to state school. And I went there on a bursary. I don't know if you guys know what a bursary is, but it's when the school fund you going. You don't pay. But I've been in that environment. I haven't been in a diverse environment, so I'm sorry if I sound not nice for you guys. I'm sorry. I'm ill, and this is what you get. This is what you get. What you see is what you get. Hey. I still can't believe that little JC guy. You guys. Because I called him out. Yes, I have. Let me just pray. Am I going to marry Dawood? No. Your sister's pregnant? Congratulations to your sister. You're going to be a dad? That is crazy. What's wrong with my lips, guys? These are just my lips, don't be mean. I straighten my hair once every I hadn't straightened it in 3 years, but I straightened it a couple of weeks ago. I hurt his ego, I know. I didn't mean to, though. He was just like, oh, I got 1 million followers, I got 1 million. What does that mean? That means nothing. No. Okay. Yeah, the weed came off because he's in the underground, Mr. Abdul. Think you can go vibing? The weed definitely has a crush on you, lol. No. The weed has a crush on everyone. I wish I was from Australia, but I ain't, so... No, racist language. Who's being racist language? Thank you, Hassan, for protecting who was racist. I want to know. Your flips. Your flips are gorgeous. I hate to say it, I don't think she got the sister-dad joke. Wait, I didn't see a sister-dad joke, guys. I want to see the sister-dad joke. Guys, my phone is glitching out. I'm sniffling like a puppy. And prettiest personality, prettiest success. Sahina, girl, that is all you. I want to be friends with you. You're so sweet. We are already best friends. Guys, who was racist? Sarah, are you saying the woods for the streets? Grace! Guys, is Grace in the chat? Can someone let me know? Grace, he said his sister's pregnant, so he's going to be dad like him and his sister. Oh! That's... Grace, are you here? Grace. Guys, Grace is my bestie. I saw her, but now she's gone. Where is she? Yeah, guys, say happy Scotland to Grace. Sorry if Pecky is racist, it's not in the USA. Honestly, it is a slur, guys. But, you know, we forgive and we forget. Brown eyes, nice, thank you. I'm in my dressing gown. Listen to the snortles. Hey, G. G, we just went live with Dawood and he said his favourite celebrity was Ash Cash. Yeah, it's a slur. I did makeup on live this morning. This morning. I need to do it, guys. I need to do a COVID test. This isn't a ring light. I'm just standing up in my room where my charger is. Because my phone is on like 3%. And it's going down. It's bad. I don't know how it is. Grace, she's a very beautiful woman, but she went viral. If you know what I mean. In a promiscuous setting. There we go. How do I study? Guys, it's Ninja Girl Summer. I ain't studying. Okay, guys. Grace is here. Such a nice person. Thank you, Shandy. Thanks. Viral for the wrong reasons, but she's such a pretty girl. Guys, I'm so sorry. My mum is texting me on my computer. I'm just gonna quickly... Am I together with youngest CK? No. That is not true. I'm like really into you. Girl, we're gonna be best friends forever and ever. Please explain and illustrate. I'm okay. Katie has these insides. Okay. Zara, that answer is no, not yet. How many reparations does the Galdem sugar have to pay? 1 million. Let's be besties, yes. Guys, I want to see if Grace is still here. Oh, she's left. She's left. PV, when DK's mentioned Zara smiles. I'm like this. Hello from New York City. Hi. Do I have socks on? No. Guys, I don't. I did my feet really nice. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it, actually. I can't spin my camera. Okay. Yeah, we're just friends. I promise next time I go live I will not sound like a pig. Guys, Hassan is the best mod I have ever seen in my life. I am Egyptian and Pakistani. Do a meetup in London. Guys, I don't know who you think I am. I am a nobody, like Oscar the Shark Slayer. Nobody would want to come to my meet and greet. Are you having a low? I'm gonna sneeze. Imagine me doing a meet and greet. Alright guys, let's meet at Oxford Street. That'd be fast. Guys, it's not even funny. We're not doing it. Yay. Good flags. I'm a nobody. Inshallah, I can get a girl like Zara soon. You do not want a girl like Zara. You want a girl like an SS in case she's left. Thank you. Grace is beautiful. And it's so silly to say such a horrible thing. What are you getting your dad for Father's Day? I probably won't be seeing him. How'd I do it? I went like this. Thank you, Bae. Bae, Grace, I hope you realise that people in that chat have just commented that Grace is so... Okay. I just saw Grace's account and she's honestly perfect. As I said, do you think I would have started with the video with Grace? Be nice to her. The more people that say you are clapped, the more you act beautiful. Imagine having a father. Must be nice, mate. Haha. Relatable. Okay, I eat my words. Oh, guys, it's so nice. There you go. Because that's what I say. It's always these people hate. And I've never got, like, hate before, but it's because, like... Dawood's audience comes with different flavours. There's so many lovely, lovely girls, but there's a couple, you know, there's a couple characters, as there are for everyone. Grace, you need to drop the skincare routine. On God. Even the paparazzi team, bros. On God. How old am I? I am 18. Young and sweet, only 18. Ooh. Sorry. Yeah, to the dad comment, yeah. Period. Yaz Online is the blueprint for the dad problems. Are you interested? Interested in what? And what was it you were saying about hugs? I was saying, can you not hug your friends? Because that's weird if you can't hug your friends. You sing beautiful... Just how to build confidence. Love yourself. Love yourself, because no one's... You know what they say? Sing for us, please. If you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love somebody else? That's what I have to say, guys. If you came to my meet and greet, that's what I'd say. First one to reply to this, I will cash up you 10. That's me. Oh, my PayPal's in my bio. Dawood has already come on live and then I kicked him off. I'm in year 13. Young and sweet in year 13. Ooh. Yeah, dancing queen. Feel the beat on the tambourine. Oh yeah. Da-da. You can dance. Da-da-da-da. You can try having the time of your life. What up, Stacy? Guys, I've had this on. Green screen some of your favourite pictures in camera. That could be... You got beauty, brains, and personality. I wish that was true. Not you and Dude both being singers. No. Grace is a singer. I would very much like to know where Jacob is at. Can you play some Akon for the vibes? So I can't play music because I got a warning that my thingy was gonna get Dude on. Grace, Dude has been on already today. Jacob is here! Jacob's here! Jacob's here! Guys, did anyone see that? Jacob's here! I'm gonna cry. Jacob's here. So guys, Jacob, the other day, he gifted me like 600 roses and then PayPal. And he PayPal me to go to Jacob and Sons. Jacob! Grace, Teethcap says that he wants to meet us in London. Who's Jacob? Oh, no. So Jacob is this guy who has been so kind. And on one of my... I don't know if he's here, actually. But he was, like, throwing things at me while I was talking to Dawood. And Dawood found it so funny. But no, he didn't. He got really angry at Jacob. But, like, I'd be talking to Dawood and Jacob would, like, throw sunglasses on my face or throw croissants. Because it was really funny. And I love Jacob. Everyone loves Jacob. Teeth Gap, hi Jacob, he's here. How are you, Jacob? No, we are not doing a meet and greet. That's so embarrassing for me. Hello, Mrs. Dax. None of that.